Hey, it's Tony. Welcome back to the channel where we chat about travel news, tips, and updates. Today we're exploring Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport, one of my hometown airports in the DC metropolitan area. DCA is one of three major airports serving the DMV, DC, Maryland, Virginia region, along with Dulles and BWI. Recent renovations, part of the airport's modernization efforts, have improved passenger flow, enhanced security screening areas, and created more spacious concourses, making the overall travel experience smoother and more convenient. Washington, D.C.'s unofficial signature drink is the Gin Ricky, a simple, refreshing combination of gin, lime juice, and sparkling water. While you may not find it right in the airport, you're only minutes away from city bars where you can enjoy this classic taste of the capital. DCA's recent upgrades have created more open spaces, natural light, and easier connections between gates. According to a December 2024 Skiff article and USA 9 coverage, new routes and potential airline expansions may be on the horizon due to the FAA Reauthorization Act. This means travelers could soon have even more flight options from DCA, building on the convenience of its close proximity to Washington, D.C.'s downtown core. Major lounges at DCA include American Admirals Club with 3 locations Delta, Sky Club, United Club, and the American Express Centurion Lounge. You'll also find local coffee spots, politically inspired souvenirs, and improved seating areas. After the renovations, these lounges and shops feel more accessible, reflecting the airport's modernization. DCA integrates art into its architecture, creating a sense of place and culture. Some notable pieces include Nancy Graves' Theodora Light and Substance Interfaced, which is a marble and glass mosaic floor medallion. David Rowe's Round Trip, a mural on aluminum panels. Tony Balance From Here to There, a mural on painted sheet metal. Caio Fonseca's 3-part invention, a porcelainized steel balustrade railing panel. And of course, the stunning stained glass friezes. 2 friezes on the concourse airside curtain wall, adding vibrant color and light. These installations elevate the airport experience, offering a cultural introduction to the region that's not always highlighted by official airport websites. DCA is served by American, Delta, United, Southwest, and JetBlue, providing frequent domestic routes. Arrive early if you're traveling during peak times. For ground transportation, the yellow and blue Metro Rail lines connect directly to the airport, and Uber, Lyft, or taxis can zip you into downtown in minutes. Living in the DC area means I value DCA's convenience. Minutes after landing, you can be exploring world-class museums, historic sites, and diverse neighborhoods like U Street and Georgetown, DC's oldest neighborhood. Sample global cuisines, discover jazz clubs, and enjoy cultural festivals. If these insights help, hit like and consider subscribing. For more tips on navigating DC, staying updated on new DCA routes, and finding hidden cultural gems, check out my playlist DC Life and blogs on my website across nabrodtravel.com. Links are in the description. From recent renovations and evolving route options to integrated art and easy city access, DCA sets the stage for a richer DC experience. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and remember to enjoy the journey.